at the terminal. I stopped by at Bojangles down the road. I'm waiting for my 10 hours break. I'm here at the drop yard. Sausage, egg, biscuits from Bojangles. And coffee. I'm waiting for my 10 hours break. Oh, I'm on my 10 hours break. So kain tayo. It's beautiful sun. They didn't give me no sugar. Let's have some coffee, guys. Carl quit. So I'm on my life solo. On my solo life. We had a good time. My daughter turned 30 years old. My baby turned 30 years old. And we camp out in the mountain. It was a good time. This weekend, we're gonna go camping again. So, I'm looking forward to that. Isn't that nice? Isn't this nice? Peace, quiet. I want quiet life now. Life is too short to argue, to fight. So this is better. Wherever I can take my 10 hours break, I just enjoy it. This is good. You guys need to get out and explore the world. Explore the mountain. There's a lot of trucks headed out. Sausage and biscuits. Oh, sausage, yeah. And egg. It's not my favorite, but it's food. At least you get something to eat, right? You know what? This job is not an ideal job for everybody, but it's a job. You know? If you love driving, like I do, I love driving. It gives me some peace. Like this past weekend, I went to the mountain 2 hours and a half drive by myself. And then to meet my daughter there and her friends. We explored the mountain. It was so good, guys. See, that's what I love about my little one. She's she's she likes to explore the world. Oh, she's like she's an adventure. She's just like me. My oldest one, she's too much of the fishing. She go fishing too. And my grandson, they both of my kids. They really love to explore the mountain. You know. But my oldest one, she live far away. With my grandson, they're close over there to other grandma. My youngest daughter, she live 6 hours away, so we can meet halfway. Or I can go to the beach. She live like 35 minutes from the beach, Savannah, Tybee Island. But it's nice to explore the nature. I don't know if Carl come back driving with me, but it's better this way. Free. Don't have to please man. I'm gonna go to Smyrna, close to Nashville, and pick up the load there. And then go to Carolina. This coffee is not too hot. I like hot coffee. It's so quiet here, guys. This is the only good thing about this is the another benefit of running solo. You get your 10 hours break. You get some rest. But if you're running team, the truck is constantly running, you know, moving. So your break is just bathroom break or shower break, or it's hard. It's really hard. It's so stressful. That's why I don't blame Carl if he quit. Right now I can afford to, well, right now I don't want to quit, really. When I turn 62, I can collect pension, social security. I mean, then I can quit. But right now, I need to keep working. So this is my home. This is behind the truck, and the bed is right here. This is my backyard. The good thing about this trucking is you always have a place to sleep. You got a bed. That's all you need, a place to sleep. Rest. I don't need no luxury home and make payment for 30 years. I had that, with my ex-husband, we had a nice home. But it was so stressful. Every paycheck, smack paycheck to paycheck for the mortgage payment. Me and Carl did the same thing. We had a house, basement, big house. Same thing, 30-year mortgage. I don't like it. By the time I get paid, for example, by the time I got done paying the mortgage, I'm already too old to enjoy life. I don't like that. So I like it like this. This is my home until I retire. But he got a nice setup. He's in the campground, nice campground, boat, lake. So he'll have a good life. He should be able to enjoy it. I got another biscuits here because 2 for 3.50. But yeah, I don't have no appetite. It's okay. I eat this for lunch, for dinner. Sometimes I wish my children still little. Because when they were little, they were the one who gave me a strength. But I'm proud that they're big, they're grown up and they turn out to be a good citizen. So I'm proud of them. I have so much videos that I need to edit. The mountain, my gosh, all the falls, the waterfalls is beautiful. So I need to get busy editing so I can upload them. I love that kayak. That was my first time doing the kayak. And I had a good time. Oh, my daughter, she turned 30 years old. It was her birthday, over the weekend. Saturday. She was born May 30th, 1990. So it was like, wow, 30 years ago, my last child was born. Yeah. We had a good time. She's just like me, like to adventure. She's very independent too. Very independent. So, and guess what? Her boyfriends before, I don't like them. So she's happy without nobody right now. I just wanna see her happy. Because I don't approve none of their boyfriend. Yeah. I care too much for them, you know. I show you guys my here I am. There's really nobody here. All these cars. This is what the yard look like.